Dog.
Whoa.
Lion. Goose.
Whoa.
Lion. Dog. Dog.
You do it.
Elephant. Frog. Frog. Pig. Frog. Cat. Dog. Dog.
You do it. Good job, baby.
Elephant.
Here, you do this one. You do it. No, you do this one. You do it. Go meow. You do it. Ethan. You can do better than that. Say meow.
Cat.
Ethan, say meow.
Cat.
Yeah. Don't look so concerned about it.
Elephant is happy to see his friend zebra.
Ethan, say whack whack.
Elephant is
Ethan.
happy to see his friend
Say
zebra.
quack quack. Yeah. Ethan, say woof woof. Good job, baby. Ethan, say woof.
Elephant stops at the
Ethan.
farm.
Oh, you okay?
Turn the page to
What is that, Ethan?
explore.
What is that? Yeah, cat. What is that? Yeah, woof woof. Yeah, baby.
Can you find the apple?
What is that? What is it? No, this. What is that?
Kangaroo.
Here, let's try the next page. What is that, baby?
Kangaroo.
What is it? Yes, that's cat. What is that? Well, what is that though?
Can you find the apple?
Yeah, blanket. What is that? Yes, it is a blanket. Yay! What is that? Apple. Say apple. Yeah, baby.
Kangaroo.
Alright, let's do the next one. Yeah, let's do the next one. Let's show off what you can do, baby. What's that?
Elephant stops at the playground.
What is that? What is it? Yeah, it's a duck. I mean, it's goose, but it's close enough. What is that? You say it. What is it?
Kangaroo.
What is it? Frog.
Kangaroo.
Say frog. Ethan. Ethan, say frog. Say frog. Aw, come on. Play with
Can you
me.
find
Say frog, baby.
frog?
You finished?
Frog.